Inside these cases is a Black Panther full original matching drum set. This is a Blue Vistalite bass drum that goes to one of the Blue Vistalite sets. There's some of the hardware. Keep in mind we're in the living room. Inside this kit is a full Ludwig standard kit. We go through the kitchen to my office. Inside here, that's just a marching snare. That's part of the Blue Vistalite kit. Here's a new red Vistalite kit I just got. Here is a chrome over brass 60s Supraphonic. There's 3 Ludwig pure maple or all maple snares. There's a Black Beauty. There's my Rush case with all 5 and 2 more of the Neil Peart Icon snares. There's my son's drum set. Let's go to part 1 of the basement. Hey cats. Yep, you guys hungry? Okay, so we'll skip over this part for a second. Come over here. Here's a Yamaha YD set. Here's a black or smoke Vistalite set. Here's a 70s Rockers Chrome Ludwig set. Here's a Pearl Masters Prestige Session Select set. Here is a Pearl Custom Session Rare, I forget what it's called, green fade. There's a Yamaha Stage Custom set. Inside here is a PDP set that's cheap, but I actually really like it. This is a Premier set that's all nested. This is a 1970s, it's a Red Tiger Slingerland set that I haven't even unboxed. Here's some snare drums. Okay, these are in fact empty cases. These are all full of cymbals. Those are full of drums. Those are cases from drum sets that I've collected. This is a crap set. This is also a crap Pearl set, the red one. However, this one is a early 80s Cortex set. This also is an early 80s Cortex set. This is Sky Blue Pearl, actually 2 basses and 2 toms from 2 different sets. This is an 80s rocker set. This right here is a White Marine Pearl fully matching vintage Ludwig set in fantastic condition. This is a gold crap Pearl set. We head over here. Oh gosh. Every one of these is a snare drum. You can see it's 4 levels tall. The light's really not good in here, but I don't know, of the 200 plus snares, this is probably 45 or 50 of them. And then we go into the actual drum room. You have a full, actually starting from there, full white 1980s Yamaha pre-recording custom 9000 series set. You have my playing set, which is a DW Performance set. You see just cymbals everywhere. Alright, this is a Black Oyster Pearl matching from the 60s Ludwig set. Here's a Sky Blue Pearl matching set from the 60s. Here's another Black Oyster Pearl matching Ludwig set. Here's more snare drum cases. All of these have snares in them. This is a Slingerland Black Diamond Pearl set. Then into the workshop, there's that second bass drum for the Yamaha 9000 series set. Some empty snare cases. I think those two actually have snare cases in them. Here is a black diamond pearl original matching Ludwig set. Here is a sky blue pearl 70s set. Here's an orphan Ludwig 60s Duco bass drum. Here's a Gretsch name band full kit with matching snare. That's a Rogers snare on my bench press machine. This set is a complete pearl reference orange to black fade set that I just got. This set is a damn it, I forget, but I remember. It's a white marine pearl 1960s fully original matching set. The bummer being that each drum has a hole drilled in it for a microphone. Here's a 1960s champagne sparkle drum that's in the queue to be worked on. Here's a full set of cymbals. There's a whole nother set of cymbals. Here's my workbench. Here's part of that champagne sparkle Ludwig set, and then there's a Gretsch bass drum that's also in the queue. Here's a case for hardware. Here's a Blue Sparkle Pioneer. Here's a bunch of drums that are in the queue to be worked on. Here's a bunch of drums that are in the queue to be worked on. Drum, 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 hardware case. In all those cases, there's drums. All right, so we've seen about half. Whole bunch of cymbals that are in the queue to be cleaned up. Here's a black diamond pearl original matching Ludwig set. Here's my eBay shipping station. Here is a black Vistalite set in Bonham sizes. You can't really see it in the shipping section, but back there is a complete matching amber Vistalite set. Again, my shipping station. Then we get into here. We don't have many lights on in here. Okay, more light on the situation. So this here is a Jazz Fest and matching, completely original matching sky blue pearl drum set. This is a Sonor, absolutely huge 8-piece Sonarphonic Plus set. In these cases is a full double bass, another Blue Vistalite set, and trap case with all the original hardware. There is a red Vistalite set with some concert toms. Here, nested in this box, is a full Blue Sparkle Rogers set. Here is a full matching Silver Sparkle Rogers set. This snare drum is a Black Diamond Pearl Slingerland that goes with this set. Here is a double bass Silver Sparkle Slingerland set. These are all snare drums, every one of these cases. Over here, that's an electronic set that I used to play, Roland. This is a Rogers Silver Sparkle, another Rogers Silver Sparkle set. Here is a Gold Sparkle 1960s Ludwig set. Here's a Red Sparkle Slingerland set. Here's another Black Oyster Pearl matching original wrap 1960s Ludwig set. Here is a rewrap Red Sparkle 1960s Ludwig set. Here is an original, I think it's WFL, yep, late 50s matching double bass. I can't imagine that the two basses are actually matching, but they came from the same drum collection. Here is another Ludwig 1960s Black Diamond Pearl set. Here is a Club Date Silver Sparkle matching set. Here is a Bloo Sparkle Club Date set, all matching, Ludwig 1960s. Here is a Champagne Sparkle 60s matching set. And as we pan over, guitars, so more drums. Here's a bowling ball matching 1970s Ludwig set. Here's a rewrap massive gold sparkle Slingerland double bass set. You can see two more pieces over there. And then here is a Hollywood silver sparkle Ludwig matching original set. All the date stamps match. And then here is my eBay photography station. Yeah, I'd say I have a problem.